is, it doesn't matter how others see you, as long as you see yourself clearly.
В камине в 6 утра фотография твоя. Горят воспоминания о тебе. У камина в 6 утра